A basement is usually more accessible than an attic and tends to accommodate a variety of items ranging from furniture to paper products, as well as stacks of family memorabilia. When used properly, the basement can add much-needed storage space to your home rather than a black hole where items are thrown and lost. Underground storage accessories must be adjusted to provide maximum access. There is a good chance we can all use more storage in our homes. There are some simple storage solutions that you can add to your basement that will make your space more organized. Whether you use lower levels for storage only or also as living space, here are 25 ideas for organizing your basement.